Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use or change to the default GoDaddy name servers. Alright, so if you have previously changed the name servers of your GoDaddy domain, you can change it back to the default name servers because you might want to change the DNS records, and if you want to do that you have to use the default GoDaddy name servers. So here's how to do that. So all you have to do is open up your GoDaddy account. Make sure you're signed in. Once you're signed in, click on your account name in the top right corner and select My Products from this drop down. Once you click that, it will open up this dashboard page where you can click on My Account, then select the domains under Quick Links, which will open up your domain portfolio. Select the domain that you want to use the default GoDaddy name servers for. So if you click on DNS here, then you can see that currently we cannot add any DNS records or change or even see the current name servers or see the current DNS records because we are not using the GoDaddy's default name servers. To use those, we have to select name servers from this list and then click on change name servers. So as you can see, we are currently using this DreamHost name server, but if you want to use the default, we have to select the GoDaddy name servers here and then click on save, click on continue, and that's about it. And as you can see, your request is in progress. So we have successfully changed the name servers to the default GoDaddy name servers for this GoDaddy domain. So all in all, this I can change or use the default name servers for a GoDaddy domain.